How to clear cache on cPanel. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now I am inside my cPanel right here, and all you have to do is to go ahead and navigate through the file manager of your cPanel. Now once inside the file manager, you can then go ahead and see a folder right here called ls cache. Now in my case, I don't have that folder available, but it will go ahead and look something like this, ls cache. You want to go ahead and find this folder, and right after, you can just go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and click on the select all button, and from here you can just go ahead and click on delete. It will then go ahead and clear all of the caches on our cPanel on our website. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.